The relay, DC to DC power converter, Arduino Nano. 자, 10 micrometer capacitor, 10 micrometer capacitor. 이 power voltage over 10K. (10 micrometer) 10 microfarad 25 volt. Okay, 10 microfarad 25 volt ceramic capacitor, and four 0.7 kilo ohm resistor. 4.7 okay, 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. Okay. 10 micrometer, 10 microfarad ceramic capacitor and 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, and wiring. 방향이 이렇게 해서 방향이 이렇게 정렬로 이렇게 이쯤에다가 이렇게. 오케이, 와이어링. One thermistor circuit is done. Yes. 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. This is 10 microfarad ceramic capacitor, and we will find some wiring like this, and ground. And this is 100K thermistor. Yes, soldering wire is done. Like this. That is done. Some schematic like this. And start the program just for test. This submitter can detect the temperature a lot. Okay. 자, okay. A basic program is done. I include the thermistor library and use a simple Kalman filter to make a stable temperature value, and read temperature and Kalman filter and display. Set the fan operation condition. If fan on current temperature is over the fan on temperature, the fan will be turned on, and the fan current temperature is lower than the fan off temperature, the fan will be off. But fan on and fan off temperature difference have to be bigger than 2 degrees C to prevent chattering. So this is the results. So. Ecco. See? And this is sensor. This is sensor. This temperature, if we exceed this temperature over 30 degrees C, the fan will be turned on. And below than 28 degrees C will be turned off. Okay. Okay, successfully done. Next step is I will make the temperature sensor head and make a case of this controller using my 3D printer and install. This is the next step.